Good afternoon. This week we are solving a question that asks us for the critical depth. Critical depth is important in open channel flow because it's the tipping point between being supercritical and subcritical. When you are subcritical, that means the velocity is low, it's like a lazy river. When you're supercritical, the depth is shallow and the velocity is fast, and critical depth is the um, boundary between these two, and it gives you the lowest energy for a specific cross section and flow. So this week question is easy, but we wanted to solve it to make sure that we can solve easy questions during the exam, and we will build on it in the future weeks. It reads a feet wide rectangular channel with a slight bed slope has a discharge of 250 foot cubic per second and a uniform depth of 3 feet. This channel critical depth is approximately equal feet to you have the shape on the right, and on the furthest right figure, we have one page of your reference manual with the equation that you can use to solve this question. Um, so the equation is YC based on Q and based on B. And B is the width of the channel. So we have Q is 250 and the width is equal to 10 feet. So we can use these two informations to get the critical channel depth. So Q is 250 feet cube per second, and we have B equal to 10 feet. From here, it's very easy to solve the question. We just put it in this equation. We have Q squared, 250 squared divided by B, which is 10, squared again, multiplied by G. And G is 32.2 to power of 1/3. Plugging that in, the 0 of 250 goes with the 10, so it is 25 squared divided by 32.2, and then the whole thing is raised to power of 0.333. Oh. 0.33. 25 squared divided by 32.2, and that is raised to 0.33. The answer is 2.6 6 feet. So it is closest to option C. So this question had one extra input, which was the 3 feet depth for this particular condition, but we were interested in the critical depth. Sometimes you have a question like that where they give you extra information just to test if you know which parameters to use. Other than that, it was about finding the right equation in the manual and plugging in the numbers and doing the calculation. I hope this was useful. We will build on this in the future weeks. And if you have any question, let us know. We can go over your questions in our PEwise Power Hour. Good luck with studying for PE. Bye.